So you know that we can wave, and it's kind of like, and we've done a lot of that in optics. We can also wave water by where, I guess that's the top of each front, and it's kind of like crest, and then 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 crest, and that's a of crests, and that's crest. So here is a bear where bears come, and you can do this with crests. It's really easy. And here are some waveforms coming in.
You can't be serious.
So I guess that means that the rays are normal to the rays, so the source is coming in here all parallel. Mustard. Y, U, this is mustard.
I took it and threw it on the ground.
But Herrens Prince, H-E-N, H-E-Y, Y-E-E-G-U-N.
Oh, what's happening? Oh, man.
And he says, this is extremely every point on a sphere is a source of source.
Okay, what we have here is, the horrendous DVD Frozen.
Frozen was really good.
Horrendous. What I can show is, you look horrendous. There's only whites in this room, but what we're seeing is blacks.
What?
And this DVD is horrendous. Why it is that we can get this rainbow of from the top of a DVD or a CVD or a CD. We can actually see something very similar by buying. Now we get the shining and throw it out. This is a bit like the 2-slit experiment, but not using 2 or 3 or 4, but 2 slits. If we have some form of source, we send that source through a. So perhaps we have our grate over here. We get hundreds and hundreds of spots, which we're going to call max. You're going to call ghost. But this is a good way of working out. And what we say is that D equals D. Okay, and I like to talk. Now, if we think about fringes and also a line that goes to the line.
F-E-M. What the heck is this? This is going to confuse people, but I'm dead. So there is my. Now, what I'm going to do is attach a gremlin across here, and that is going to be measuring what we call turn. Now, this is where people get PTSD. People think that they're actually dead. No, they're not. They're
only mostly dead.
Because you can't actually. All we're doing is measuring the PP. So, in other words, it's the D. No. You can think.
Wow.
Now, let's say that this tree is actually a tree. Whoa. Oh dear. I'm a dear. Why? It's because gets to the circuit to be used in the rest of the circuit to be used in the rest. So it's as simple as saying this. I'm going to put this in inverted commas.
Jumping on a trampoline.
What is reality?
Yes.
So the question is why are we on Earth?
Nope.
So the electrons are dead. So that means that there's only now 5.8, 5.4, 6.2 available for the rest of the circuit. So can you see?
Nope.
What the heck?
Now let me see your war face!